amazing. मेगा मेला जो है ओवर 20 years से मैनचेस्टर में चल रहा है, बढ़ रहा है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग आते हैं, एंजॉय करते हैं। और अभी ये अर्ली टाइम है और मैं ये यकीन है कि लेटर ऑन आफ्टरनून में पैक हो जाएगा, स्पेशली जब कोई अच्छे आर्टिस्ट परफॉर्म भी करेंगे। We're here, Global Learning Pathways, just working with people trying to get them back into education. If you have no previous qualifications when you've messed up earlier in your life, we're here to set things straight, help you out. We're here today at the Manchester Melah. If you have a walk around, if you look around, there's lots of people here. We're waiting for you to come. We've got plenty of stores, we've got food, we've got clothes, we've got events, face paints, balloons, music, live entertainment. All we need is for you to come here, come down and enjoy yourself and have a good day. Seen the massive crowd out there. What do you think? What do you think?
It was lit. Manchester, the vibe, man. It's a proper lit crowd. Really enjoyed it.
You do this every time?
You know, it has to be done, man.
Yeah, excellent.
Next time, and if you post some material online,
As always, there's always a queue for mass. Always like